She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song the summer sings, maybe the chill the autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day.
Why? Happy birthday. Kumusta na po Mang Ken? Si Kuya Johnny. Si Jenny Carr. Mark. MJ. Si Peter. Si Marvin. Kumusta ko Mang Ken? Lalo na ikaw, happy birthday. Pero mo, 70 na ka pala. Malaking kaya. Itsura. Asaya dapin din ng anak. 70 na ka no, pero lata. Bala mo, mag 60 ka pa. Bisa ako mamuli, kumiuli. Huling bawal. Kumusta na ka mo, Ken? Kumusta na kayo mo? Tsaka dakala salamat Ken hanggang asawa mo ka na. Tandaanan mo, laluguran ka ko ng Ken. Sige. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Mai! We love you. Love you po. Kumusta? Ingat.
She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the feast, may turn each day into a heaven or a hell.
Hello, Singwai. Happy birthday. More blessings, happiness, and the best of health. May our Lord Almighty bless you always. May the light of heavens shine on you forever. Have a wonderful day. We miss you. Happy birthday ulit.
Maya payaba ka Chingway. Berita kang i-treat king kang 70 year birthday king Aldo ngayon. Istaman bisa kaming makipag-birthday kanay ngali magsilbi uli ni pimi pandemic din natin king kay katamo ngayon. Ibis kong sana na di na nakapang another 70 year ning kay katang mong hapong Ginoo. Sana natilihan na kang masikan, iligtas na kaking ng masakit. Yan anyarang po king kang kibaitan ngayon. Sana manalitili kayong ligtas at iring pangunakan ko Kuya Johnny. Tapchi nga duwarang ko king kang birthday king Aldo ngayon.
Happy birthday, Tita Y. It's your 70th year of existence in this world, and I thank God for you. You are one of my favorite aunts, and you are such a woman of strength. Your beauty is not only from the outside, but also from the inside. I am happy that you are a member of the Pajardo family, and I hope that we will meet one day. Happy birthday. May the Lord give you strength, gives you favor, long life for you, and also for Tito Johnny. I've seen how you have worked hard not only as a wife, but also as a mother and also as a grandma, for taking care of your husband, taking care of your children, and also of your grandchildren. I hope you will still see your great grandchildren, the Lord willing. Happy birthday again, and I love you. God bless.
Of my dreams, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell.
To my former co-teacher, BFF, Ate Y, happy birthday. I wish you joy, happiness, good health, and long life. May the coming year be filled with more blessings. May itong kakaluguran kong kamaganaka, malugod kong kiring. Balog malapit na itang pangarap mong dakala Sana matupad nga ning pangarap mo king kayabe ng koyang Johnny para laging tagumpay. Happy birthday ulit and God bless.
Hello, ako ay masayang aldoan ng kayang kebaitan. Sana hanggang burimo at cuman ken keka hanggang burimo nga kayabe at chula. And bayong sabla, I would like to thank you for being one of the best friends, colleague, a sister, a mother, a barkada, and kung naning pantunan mo api ni tita. Thank you so much at salamat din, lagi kaming safe. Uling kayabi kami lagi king kekang prayers. Uling na ning prayers mo, lagi nililigtas kami king nanong mga kapahamakan. Dakala salamat for being our angel. Since birthday ni Ngeni, I'd like to wish you long life, happiness, more wealth. Sana maluwata pang abiyade, maluwata pang ipapamuisip, maluwata pang maili, at hanggang masanding nga pangit, maluwata pang gagala. Dakala salamat kay Happy Wife, dakala salamat kay Lugod, kay Lingap, and again, happy birthday.
Hello po. Apong Y is one of the kindest people I've ever met. There was even a point in my life when she and Mang Johnny served as my parents nung pong namanhikan ako doon sa aking asawa. And before I got married, she gave me pieces of advice that I cherish up to now. She is really one of the most caring and motherly sa amin lahat ng mga fellow teachers niya noon. And I really respect the kind of person she is. And so I would like to greet her a happy birthday. I hope we will have many more birthdays to come. And I wish you nothing but happiness, more wealth, and of course the best of health. Yun po ang pinakamahalaga ngayon, no? Kailangan na healthy tayo palagi. And that is my wish for you, Apong Y. Happy birthday, enjoy your day. And so, let me sing you a song. Maligayang bati, maligayang araw, maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang, sumaiyo nawa ang ligayang tunay, kahimanawari lumawig ang buhay, kahimanawari lumawig ang buhay. Happy birthday, Apong Y. We love you.
Take them all. souvenirs. Where she goes, I've got to be.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Apong White!
Happy birthday!